Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will perform reaction simulation using Aspen Plus software. And this is our case. We will do benzene chlorination reaction. And this is the reaction. This is of course benzene, chlorine, right? And this is the products, all right? You can see we produce the HCl, hydrogen chloride acid, and chlorobenzene. All right, we will perform this reaction using stoichiometric reaction in Aspen Plus, and this is our data: the temperature, the pressure at 1 atmosphere, the total molar flow of the feed is 100 kilomole per hour, with the mole fractions of benzene of 0.5 and also the chlorine 0.5. The reaction will have 80% conversion of benzene at these pressure and temperature conditions of the reactor. And our task is to calculate the product's rate and composition, all right, the effluent of the reactor, and we need to evaluate other important results. Okay, so we will run the simulation. We will perform the simulation of the reaction using Aspen Plus. So from here, we will go to the Aspen Plus. All right, so let's go. All right, so we are now inside the Aspen Plus. You can see here from our tree, we have set up. All right, so we are now inside the components specifications under the selection bar, and we will find our 4 components in this window. Okay, so we can go to this component ID. All right, and then we can type in C6H6, the benzene. All right, so the type is conventional, component name benzene alias C6H6, and this is the CAS number. Okay, that's our first component, and then chlorine, Cl2, chlorine. Okay, and then the third one is the C6H5Cl, the chlorobenzene, and lastly we have HCl, hydrogen chloride, the acid, right? So you can see we are now inside the specifications. We are in the selection. Okay, so far so good. From here we can click next. All right, so we are now inside the methods. So still under the tree, the first one setup, components, and now we are inside the methods folder. Okay, methods. This will be quick. So we will find method filter is common. We will find Peng Robinson. Okay, Peng Robinson in the base method. Let's find it. This one, Peng Robinson. Okay, so far so good. So now we are quite ready to do the simulation, but first we click run. Okay, and now we go to simulation environment. All right, we need to be patient. Sometimes it takes time. All right, now we are inside the simulation environment.